Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Spotify account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Just a quick small tip, if you're planning to get any subscriptions for much cheaper or better price, scroll down till you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, where it will redirect you to Gamsco, and this is a subscription based platform where you can share your password with other people under the same account, like a big family, and you can pay your own price and it will be much cheaper and you'll save so much money. For example, 3 months of Netflix is 60 euros normally, but here it's 15 only, and then simply just write Gummy, which will give you an additional 5% off discount, and there you go, that's the best price. To create your Spotify account, simply search for Spotify on your Google website, and then from here click on the first link, and from here you're going to go to the sign up button on the top right, and then from here you're going to fill in your information. So I'm going to write, for example, my email, and then fill in the password, and then from here you're going to fill in whatever name that you will have. Fill in the rest of the information, click on next, then fill all the boxes to agree for the terms and conditions, and then once you sign up it might ask you for a CAPTCHA, but if it doesn't, then there you go. Now you have your Spotify account created and ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.